What's up, guys? Welcome back to another in-depth car spec. As you guys can see, we are in Zoom class right now, but I just got a ring in the door, and look what just came in, guys. Look what just came in, bro. Yes, sir. Invidia. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another in-depth car specs. As you guys can see, my exhaust came in today. I'm very hyped up. Guys, look at these welds, man. Look at this. Oh my god, look at that. Oh my god, bro, titanium, sexy. But yeah, guys, let me tell you something about the exhaust. So I thought it was a 3-inch all the way. So mid pipe from the cat all the way to the back mufflers, that's when it starts to turn into a 2.5 inch. So yeah, so they advertise the exhaust as a 3-inch, but once it gets to the mufflers, it gets into a 2-inch. As you guys can see, way smaller. You guys can see the comparison. It's like half of the middle finger right there. And then once we get to the mid pipe, I would say, look at the difference between that. You see, look at that. It's the whole finger basically. But yeah, guys, super nice quality. Invidia, I love you guys. Guys, took a little bit long. I don't know if it wasn't you guys, probably it was the website that I ordered it. But super nice welds. I like the colorful welds too. That's pretty nice. It even brought the gaskets too, so that's good. I don't have to buy any adapters for it, so that's good. But yeah, guys, let's get to the install real quick. I'm gonna take out the old mufflers. I'm gonna take out the old catback. So yeah. Bro, haven't even started and already cut myself. What the fuck is this? Got the 2 bolts. Spray some W40 for the hangers. It's gonna help out a lot. And just like that, we got the first one. Second one's out. Look at those guys. They look like fucking suitcases. And there you have the STI exhaust. And I'm gonna show you guys how my downpipe it is right now. So about 2,000 miles or so, and it's changing color. That's my downpipe right there. It's a COBB catted downpipe. This is basically the only tune that I have, or mods that I haven't. I'm gonna put the mid pipe right now from the cat to the back, and put on your gaskets before, I don't know. Let's see, hopefully it fits. I don't need the adapter. Got my block over there so I can hold it, because this one is cut it in half. Not like this one right here, which is full complete pipe all the way to the back. This one's cut it in the middle. Just letting you guys know, they are color matched. So some bolts may not fit in the front. So get the thin ones to go in the front. It doesn't seem as we need any type of adapter. Right now I have it on the block so it won't flex on the bolts, but been pretty good right now. Hopefully we don't need that adapter. I'm not trying to wait another week or so. So yeah, I mean, don't tighten everything, not yet, until you're done. For the other mid pipe, I put it on the hanger and then I put the bolts in. Right now everything is just set up there lightly. It's not even moving. So you guys can see me in Zoom class right now. The guy's just yapping his mouth, bro. But yeah, got one side on. That thing is looking fire, bro. Alright, we're gonna go to the next one though. Oh my god. Alrighty guys, so the exhaust is, right now everything's all set up. All I gotta do is tighten up all the bolts. I'm gonna start from the front to the back and see how the tips start to get in to the middle section, I guess. Cause I don't know, I don't see right now. It seems pretty straight there. Then when you get here, it's a little bit curved, I guess. I don't know. You just really gotta look to it. But hopefully when you tighten it up, it gets pretty straight. Exhaust is fully bolted on. Invidia, I appreciate the work you guys do, man. Super neat. This is how it looks, guys. Minor fall, I don't know. This one's a little bit lower, that spot right there. This one, but I don't care. I got my exhaust, I really like it. I'll just probably bend the hanger just a little bit more so I can move up, and that's it. Alright guys, so the moment y'all been waiting for, about to have it right now. About to turn it on and see if there's any leaks. Adapted yet? So went through, checked all the leaks. There's only one leak, which is in the front where they say the adapter is, but it's like super minor. I would imagine over time that carbon monoxide would cover it, so those small leaks like that. But about it. Car's warmed up now. I'm gonna give you some revs. This is just an installation video. I'll be doing a sound clip in the near future, guys. Obviously it's a brand new exhaust, so all the residue and stuff like that is cleaning. Hopefully you guys enjoy. Please do like, subscribe, and until next time, peace guys. And if you're still in here in the video, I will explain what are the differences between this exhaust and the other one. This exhaust comes with 3-inch, which is from the catback, so middle pipe, and then a little bit just the middle section where it bends outward. That's all the 3-inch. Once it gets to there, it turns into a 2.5-inch rather than the stock muffler, which is a 2.5 from the cat, so the beginning, and then all the way to the back, that's a 2-inch. So it changes a little bit in flow. Obviously, the 3-inch will make the COBB rumble even better. So yeah guys, hopefully you guys enjoy. Please like, subscribe.